Hello everyone, here is how to change your email address on Facebook. If you're on Facebook and you want to change your primary address, I'll show you how to do it. Open the Facebook app on your device. Tap on the menu icon at the bottom right of the screen. Tap the gear icon at the top right to open the settings. Now, in the options for Account Center at the top here, tap on See More in Account Center. Then you tap on Personal Details. At the top is Contact Info, which include your contact and your email address, so you tap on it. Before you delete an old email address, you need to add a new one. So to add a new one, you tap the Add New Contact button below. Select Add Email. And now you type in your new email address. Then you choose which account you want to be associated with the new email and you click the Next button below. So going through this process, Facebook will send a code to this new email address for confirmation. You type in the code and confirm by tapping on the Next button below. Once your new email address has been created, you can see it here. So you tap on your old email address and you tap on Delete Email, and it will delete your old email address from being associated to your Facebook account. That's it, friends. Hope you find this video helpful. Like, share and subscribe for more informative tips. See you in the next video.